Hi, hello, dear students. Very good morning. In this video, we are going to see about third unit, natural resources. We are going to see about timber extraction, mining, and dams. At the end of the video, you can understand and gain knowledge about these terms: timber extraction, mining, and dams. Let us see timber extraction. To get wood fuel, timber extraction is increasing day by day. What are the uses of timber? Timber is the raw material for various industries. Timber is used for the development of railways, boat, road construction, and even we can use timber for house constructions also. Effects: timber extraction causes deforestation. It leads to soil erosion. It leads to loss of tribal culture. It reduces the thickness of forest. So we have to avoid timber extraction to get the sustainable development. See, this picture shows the timber extraction. Next, mining. Mining is the process of extracting mineral resources, fuels, and coal from the earth. What are the types of mining? There are two types. One is surface mining, another one is underground mining. If the mining of minerals taken from the shallow deposit of the earth, then that is called surface mining. ரொம்ப பரவலா மேலால மைனிங் இருந்தது அப்படின்னு சொன்னா that is surface mining. Second one, underground mining. Mining of minerals from deep deposit of the earth. Area is very smaller, but the depth of the mining is very deep. So mining of minerals from deep deposit of the earth is called underground mining. See how the mining is done. This picture shows the shallow mining. Then see, this is deep mining, underground mining. Okay, now let us see the steps involved in mining. First of all, the first step is exploration, that is searching of minerals. The treasure of minerals we have to search at first. Second one, development. Third step, exploitation. Fourth step, ore processing. And fifth step, purification of minerals. Effects of mining. What are the effects? It destroys the trees, pollutes the soil, water, and air. Destroys natural habitat. Waterlogged area are formed which contaminates the underground water. While mining, the vibration takes place which leads to the earthquake. Sediments are transported by water erosion so that water, that is surface water and underground water, are contaminated. It produces noise pollution also. It reduces the shape and size of the forest area. Mining leads to the landslides. These are the main effects of mining. So what is mining and what are the effects of mining? This question may be asked under 8 marks. Then dams. What are dams? Dams are the artificial structure, massive structure which built across the river. These dams are the reservoir to store the water. Effects of dams on forest. By constructing the dams, how the forests are affected. Thousands and thousands of hectares of forest are destroyed by constructing dams. Forests cleared for residential, office, storeroom, and road constructions also. Hydroelectric power projects destroys forest. This dam construction kills the wild animals and aquatic life. The fertility of the land reduces due to the construction of dams. Effects of dams on tribal people. So, by the construction of dams, the tribal people, those who live in those area, will be affected. So, the displacement of tribal people cannot tolerate biodiversity. If the tribal people they move from the forest area to the civilized places, they couldn't tolerate the biodiversity. Displacement affects the tribal people both mentally and physically. Tribal people are ill treated by modern society, uh, by, uh, by the way of speaking. They are differ, their language differ. So, tribal people are ill treated by modern society. Their dress culture also. Totally, the culture and custom of tribal people are different from the modern society. Many of the people are not resettled, recognized, and compensated. Their culture is totally destroyed. Their body conditions will not suit with new area. So these are the effects of dams on tribal. See how the dam construction affect the habitat and biodiversity. Underground mining. Okay, now let us see the steps involved in mining. First of all, the first step is exploration, that is, searching of minerals. The treasure of minerals we have to search at first. Second one, development. Third step, exploitation. Fourth step, ore processing. And fifth step, purification of minerals. Upstream problems. Displacement of tribal people. Loss of forest area. Landslide, sedimentation, siltation takes place. Spreading of diseases will be there. It can cause earthquake. The agricultural processes may be affected by these dam constructions. Downstream problems. Waterlogging and salinity produced by over irrigation. There will be reduced water flow in river due to blockings, due to the sedimentation which blocks the river water flow. Salt water intrusion at river mouth takes place. When dams collapse, microorganisms may be destroyed. So the whole food chain may be affected. Thank you. Thank you all.